Welcome back. Logan's not ready. He doesn't have his gloves.
I'm not ready.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. I'm Alex. This
Logan.
is... Who?
Logan.
Logan. He's a new guy. First video. Okay?
First video ever.
Don't beat him up too bad, all right? He brought me some awesome estate guns from our online estate sale thing that we did. Watch the old video, clip coming your way now. So guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you this collection. We were able to buy a huge collection and we're gonna bring some of these to you so you guys can see them. There are a lot, like I said earlier, unique items, including unique calibers, and of course, things we have no idea about. All right, so we're back. Here's what the first one is. What weird way of saying that. All right. What is the very first one that we are going to check out
First
today?
one is an E.R. Shaw Mark 7, which is pretty much just a customized Savage 110. They're discontinued now, so it's kind of a rare item. Polished feed ramps on it, heavy sporter barrel with flutes.
Spiral fluting makes it way more tactical.
It does, for sure.
E.R. Shaw is actually, they're known for their barrels. I think they're more of a custom gun maker. This is one that was worked off of a Savage Action, laminate stock. This is a cool one, and it is chambered in 280 Remington. Is that what made this one come out? Like you were like, this is the one that we have to check out?
It's kind of a semi-custom, if you want to say.
I think it's a pretty custom. Yeah. I bet they just used this action, rebarreled it, made it into their own thing. If you look these babies up, look up E.R. Shaw. Online, you'll see a bunch of custom different barrels and everything else included. Ready? On three, I'm going to have you turn the camera. 1, 2, 3. Turn, Matt. All right, back to me. We're going to show you one. You want to stick around for the very last one. We're going to skip on our list, but we're going to go right down to the end, but I want to show you the one at the end. This is a Montana Rifle Company rifle. Boom.
That is in 25-06.
25-06.
It's kind of a hybrid between a Mauser 98 and a pre-64 Winchester. Control feed action. Winchester pre-64 trigger. It has a nice kind of textured custom stock here.
It is like a, what's that? Not like a Boyd, but what's Macmillan?
Macmillan.
Macmillan style stock,
Manners,
right? So Macmillan stock. This is a small company. It looks like, obviously, up in Montana. I looked them up online before that we did this video, and it kind of the same thing. It looks like they're a custom rifle maker made for Western style hunting. Again, this one's going to come up. So all these will be on Gunbroker. Hopefully, when this video lands, you will be able to purchase all the different ones we're going to show you today, including my favorite. It's this very last one. Show it to me.
This one is a Browning Abolt medallion.
So the medallion is always popular. It's one that always brings really good money. We talked about a medallion, I think, last week. The bluing on it. This one does have factory engraving on it, but it does not have factory engraving in the stock. So this looks like a really, really heavy hand-done kind of an inlay on there. And this looks to be bone. I have not confirmed that. Looks like a bone inlay all the way through. And if you can check it out, on the underside, on this side. So again, this is a custom woodworked 270 Browning medallion. And again, guys, we picked up over 350 guns out of it in the state. And we're going to bring a handful of those to you as soon as we can, as soon as everything gets done. And we're going to bring 3 of them at a time. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If there's some other ones that you want to check out, as in different weird calibers, if you want to boop down below and let me know what calibers you want to check out, because I promise you, there are some weird ones in this estate. Not the stuff that we necessarily showed you today, even though to us, 280 Remington and 25-06, not really something we deal with too often here in Indiana. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below which one was your favorite out of this entire collection that we showed you today, which is only 3. All right, guys, we'll see you later.